kahit anong oras, available si Sir Nico. When we do the tripping, the location is very nice. For the price, I think reasonable naman siya. Upon research, actually sa Facebook ko lang siya nahanap, pero when we do the tripping, I think the location is very nice and very family friendly yung location, and also yung mga units, maganda yung mga designs. For the price, I think reasonable naman siya. Actually yun, and the design ng mga bahay, yun yung I think pinaka-major decision. Sir Nico, very ano siya, palagi siya nag-update, which is very good. Like, katulad ko, very busy ako, so lagi niyang sinusure na updated. Attentive siya, I mean, sa lahat ng questions. Like, lagi niya sinasagot kahit anong mga questions ko. Like, kahit anong oras, available si Sir Nico. So, yun. So, thankful ako na si Sir Nico din yung naging agent. Very patient siya. Kahit marami akong magagulong decision. Highly recommended siya na agent for me.